Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. Among them were a wise old owl, a cheerful squirrel, a gentle deer, and a playful rabbit. They loved spending time together, exploring the forest and sharing stories. One sunny day, as they were gathered near a sparkling stream, they noticed a little bird with a broken wing struggling to fly. The animals felt sad for the bird and decided to help. The squirrel gathered soft leaves for a nest, while the rabbit found berries for the bird to eat. The deer carefully splintered the bird's wing with a twig, and the owl gave wise advice on how to heal. Days turned into weeks, and the bird's wing gradually healed. It was time for the bird to fly again. As the bird prepared to leave, it looked at its newfound friends with gratitude in its eyes. The bird thanked them for their kindness and said, "You have taught me the true meaning of friendship and compassion. I promise to remember your kindness and help others in need, just as you helped me." The animals smiled and waved goodbye as the bird soared into the sky. They learned that even the smallest act of kindness could make a big difference in someone's life. From that day forward, the animals vowed to help anyone in need, for they knew that true friendship lies in lending a helping hand and showing kindness to others.